Coach BGKY. Here's a drill for introduction to defenses for beginners. What you're going to do is take two boxers, A and B. A is going to be starting with offense, B is going to be on defense. A is going to throw 4 jabs in a rhythm of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The and's kind of important, you'll see why in a second. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. They're also practicing their range, making sure that they're throwing the jabs at 6 inches away from the partner's face. You don't want to get right up on them because they're only blocking. B is going to catch. Catch, 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 catch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's the first part of the drill. That's the first phase. It is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Throwing jabs and catching. Once they have a rhythm down and you know that you're trusting that they have their range, then you move on to phase 2, which is catch, catch, slip, slip. So the offender is still going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but the defender is going catch, catch, slip, slip. They alternate every turn. 4 turns, or 4 jabs, and then 4 jabs. Phase 3 is to put that into motion. So now they're doing it stationary, now they get to put it into motion. So they're doing the same drill. A is on offense, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. B is on defense, catch, catch, slip, slip. Then they alternate every turn, in between movement. The fourth phase is to take a little bit more live and make it a 3 and 3 drill, where A is on offense for 3 and B is on defense for 3, and then they switch roles. And they get to mix up whatever they want. Catches, double guards, slips, counter shots to the body.